Yo, what's up? How you doing, guys? I'm in Olsztyn, old town, very different town. Even this capital city and 170,000 people living here, capital city of the North Regency, Warmińsko-Mazurskiej, I hope I say it properly. It's totally little bit different vibes than you tell Dogo already at the beginning. It's a little bit different than Poznań or Gdańsk, perhaps. And it's already late because it took me quite a long time to come here, so I hope so you watched yesterday's video when I was traveling here. If you haven't watched yesterday's video when I was traveling here, highly recommended to do it after this video. So keep watching this one till the end and come back to yesterday's one. 170,000 people living in this city. And the old town is very unique because either you're going from up here or downhill. Most of the old cities here, they are like a flat, but this one is a little bit different. But still, northern and western Poland looks very similar, right? So I'm gonna start from the outside, from the actually downtown. This is like a downtown behind me. Always there will be downtown and always will be the old town in this old cities here. This one is from 1350s. So it's 100 years actually younger than, let's say, the other cities, what I showed you already. So interesting, let's go. There's also a Bolt, which is like an Uber in case if you're looking to move here by your own. There's no trams in Olsztyn, or I'm not sure, probably, I'm not sure actually. I'll let you know later. There's some nice restaurants down there, and basically everywhere there will be a nice restaurants, and this is actually the entrance to the old town already. And they also have a wheat shop, but this is like for the pharmacy reasons. So it's the one street going uphill there and one going here on the left. It's already 5:20, so nearly sunset time. So due to the high architecture here, the sun is already gone, so it's everything a little bit darkish but still bright though. So of course you can find the restaurants. Also architecture is a little bit different. Also very similar to yesterday actually. You're going more northeast, the architecture is changing also due to the historical things, of course cafes, restaurants, and as I said, you're going to the old town but you are going up here, you are climbing a little bit. So this is something different than previous cities, and I visited already a few cities in Poland. If you haven't watched the old video, I recommend it as well. And here actually is more people than yesterday, so that's cool. But of course 170,000 people is not like 30,000 or 40 or 50,000. The restaurants inside, it's also Saturday, so that's the vibes. But also if you're looking to be crowded cities, you have to go to the top 5 biggest cities in Poland, obviously. Warsaw, Gdańsk, Wrocław, Poznań, Kraków. Alright, so obviously this is the square market and this is the city hall. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, it's a little bit different than the previous cities what I showed you. This is probably one of the less visited cities in whole entire Poland, from the most regencies in Poland what we have it, because well, I can feel it. It's not big city, 170,000 people, but not too many visitors, actually not too many even tourist attractions. Here is the first stall selling the magnets and stuff. Anybody wants magnets from Poland, let me know in the comment section, I can get one for you. Actually they are nice. Here you go, let me know. 1, 2, 3, let me know in the comment section. Some church, this is the other side of the market square in Olsztyn. Here you go, looks like this one. And that's the main gate or the church, or both at the same time. Here you go, actually this one looks more alive. Let's have a look a little bit. Some hotels here in the market square. Yeah, this is the main gate. The gate is very similar to this one in Gdańsk actually. And there are some people, there are nice restaurant actually here. Many people enjoying the time. Just simply people coming from this side. Probably that's the other side of the downtown, more busier. So cool. Oh, here we go. That's the vibes in Poland, guys. Of course, there must be summer pijalnia, wódki, piwa. Here we go, guys. This is the place for many of my viewers who likes to drink in general. Here we go, let's have a look. This is the main gate. And some live performance. Actually, that's the older fella singing here. Usually they are like a young boys or kids singing, but this one is actually older one. Here we go. Yeah. Cool. And this is like the busiest part of the city. There are some entertainments, some lounge, ice cream, kebab king, Sphinx, bar and grill. Here you go. But overall, yeah, what I'm gonna tell you, it will be quiet. The kebab looks good actually. This is like a franchise kebab king, I guess. This one grill and bar, and this is the main gate, and will be the downtown actually. So the gate I'm gonna show you looks like this one. Nice. That's the Greek restaurant, if you like. And then there is some manufaktura sztuki, so there's gonna be something with arts in general. And that's the gates. Actually, this gate is not like in Gdańsk, but it's more into like Malbork, I could say. This feels the same. And you cross the gate, and basically that's gonna be downtown. Downtown of Olsztyn. This is like a historic walls and the old gates. They keep it basically untouched. That's what left after all the wars and everything, of course. So they just keep it without doing anything of it, which is actually good. And this is the modern downtown of Olsztyn, basically like this one. And also a lot of constructions they making. They actually constructions in every city what I showed you basically, right? So there will be no difference here. And I think they have a trams in Olsztyn, guys. That was my bad. Just it's not in this point because it's under the renovation. But they have a trams. This is the tram tracks. So cool. Yo, what's up? And some people waving to the camera. That's cool. There will be the church in the background. Basically, even this big city is gonna be quieter, guys. I always telling you, those cities are generally not that crowded like, you know, like in Asian cities, obviously. We're gonna get to the main downtown, central downtown. Behind me over there is the Olsztyniak Bar Mleczny. This is something what I have to come with Winnie one day and show you around. This is like every Polish people should know what is it. But this is the place where you can buy comfort food as the restaurant, but somehow like, you know, they're giving you whatever you want on the plate for the very affordable money. So one day I'm gonna show you. Basically that's the downtown of Olsztyn. Today I'm gonna show you actually a little bit of everything. I'm also gonna go to the mall because there is one of the popular malls here on northern Poland. It's called Galleria Warmińska. I wanna show you because I've never been there, and this is the downtown. So even there is the main junction next to the church. Actually this one looks like a newer city hall. Probably it is because the flags. So that's the actual city hall right now, what is active. Junction situation on the roads will be like this one. It's not gonna be crowded. There will be never maybe not, but very rare. So we have big traffic jams. That's the public buses, as you can use it. You can use the trams if they are going, but not going on this occasion when I'm filming. And of course you can use the Uber, you can use the Bolt, any other online taxis or traditional taxis. You can use electric scooters, you can walk. These distances are not that big though as well. Actually, technically this is the main street in Olsztyn. I just realized there's the KFC. That was the very old mall. Of course you have some shops, buses driving around. This is the modern city hall, what I mentioned. I'm gonna show you a little bit around actually what's going on here. Also in the background it's 5:30. You can hear the bells from the church. Don't forget about that rogaliki. That's kind of croissant, but it's closed. So that's the KFC. There's like a modern little mall, but I'm gonna show you the mall, the really nice mall at the end of this video, guys. Don't worry. I just wanna show you actually how's the life going in Olsztyn. Saturday afternoon, October. What's going on actually here? As you see, no matter what, it's gonna be very kinda cozy, I could say. And yeah, you can also park like this one. Maybe this one is just a small car, but he fits, so it's legal as long as he paid. How much is it actually here? 230. No, 450. So it's more expensive than yesterday's parking. I parked actually my car next to the McDonald's for 5 because the one of the parking was totally busy. And yeah, and this is like a main place where the trams and the buses coming out. So this is like also one of the malls here. Here we go. I was sure. I told you the trams actually are coming here in Olsztyn. So you can use bus, tram. You can just buy ticket. You can do it online. You can pay by cash, I believe, or the debit card, however you like. And that's the old town. And this is the Aura Mall actually. One of the biggest one, but not this one that I'm looking for. However many big brands here. Also outside the mall, there's so many very important government buildings, like a modern one, like this one. There is the church in the background, of course, or the old traditional buildings like this one. This one actually looks very nice. And of course, big parkings. the war monument, you know, many stuff. Also, I just wanted to show you. Actually, some are here or there. You're doing all the stuff, the passports. I think in this one, not sure though. Doesn't really matter actually. But overall, I just wanted to mention there will be quiet. I mean, some people like this peaceful, the calmness like this one in the cities where you don't need to stuck in the traffic wherever you go, right? And here you go, this building looks actually really nice. This one here is actually court and other state very important offices. But I like how this red flowers growing across this building. This one is actually really cool. I'm gonna tell you, nice. Something a little bit different. Each city looks similar, but they're actually different. And basically it's like this one. Somebody who never been in Europe, you watch Poland, Germany, Austria, France, Spain, everybody will say everything in Europe looks the same, but actually there is not. Even, you know, every city is a little bit different. Of course there will be architecture. I mean, you know, it's like you can find, everybody should find something for yourself, but definitely at least no jumps here. So basically this is the entrance to the mall. On the other side there's like so many shops. There's even Costa coffee, but I park already next to McDonald's, so I'm gonna have McDonald's coffee. And on the other side is still old building, and this is actual prison right now, but for the special people though, so you don't want to end up there, so be nice. And the cinema, everything what you need actually is in the malls as well here. Olsztyn have a lot of city parks. I wanted to show you one which is next to the old town, because this is like a castle park, but it's already night, so I'm gonna move to next location, which is the fancy mall. I'm gonna show you, maybe you are interested actually as well. Like one of the parks will be there, this bird's statue, but it's too dark to make a video, so I'm not gonna go. Old town is just there in the background. There's like a little bridge, also there's river down there. And there's in the background McDonald's. That's where my coffee time my coffee time in McDonald's today. But everywhere actually is nice. It's the mix between newer and older building, but nothing fancy flashy like Warsaw buildings with the modern stuff. So everything still looks old, even it's not that old, it looks very old. Also there is some Wileński residence, restaurant, and the hotel actually looks like this one. They use these buildings, they paint them from outside, and that's the hotel actually inside. Maybe nice, very similar, a little bit like Vietnam city hotels actually. I mean, well, architecture, little bit there. And of course, McDonald's actually cold. I need the coffee now. Even McDonald's looks good here actually, but even better with the coffee obviously. There's the bells, a lot of churches everywhere. And that's actually night already in Olsztyn after the sunset. So even Saturday night, still quiet guys. So it's cool. Okay, I will see you in the car. And then I'm gonna go to the mall. But enjoy my coffee. Cheers. The tram arrived, but I arrived by car to Galleria Warmińska, legendary mall in Warmińsko-Mazurskie. I already walked a little bit, gonna tell you it's nice, so bear with me till the end of the video. I'm gonna show you. Also, that's the decor outside, looks cool. Actually, not bad for the mall in Europe and in Poland. And also, out there, they are big stores. Like this is like a shopping complex, and then at the background, of course, McDonald's must be. But let's focus today. The last attraction of today's video, Galleria Warmińska. All right, and I'm inside. There are actually 2 floors with shops, and you walk like around. They are like a shape of the square or something. It's pretty big. So many coffee shops, of course, and the nice looking ceiling. Costa, Bershka, Pull and Bear, everything gonna be here, but that's just the beginning. Zara and whatever you want is here, and you're just walking around. There are some shops where you just, I don't know, actually I saw the people ordering the shoes like on the tablets, and they checking their measure like this one. This is fancier than in Singapore though. And well, no, I mean, never saw it like this. And 5 o'clock, so many nice stores everywhere around. CCC, that's one I remember, travel agents. I'm gonna show you a little bit around for like 5 minutes max. Some juice section, people going from top. This is actually 2 floors only with stores. This is the main hall. So first floor, second hall, and upstairs there are parkings. Actually 3 floors up there are parkings, but the shopping only 2 floors. Very interesting. And this is, I think, the football club from Olsztyn. I'm not sure though. Actually the volleyball team. They are pretty good. Here you go. This is an delivery store, popular in Poland. Check this out. You can get yourself the coin with the kangaroo, my Australian friends. Here you go, guys. Cool. Nice stuff. Nice stuff in general. And you can go everywhere around. I mean, so many shops. Cannot show you everything, but just wanna give you the point of view what's going on here. There are actually quite a lot of cool shops, like a house. This is one for the men fashion. Then there will be the crop, and then there will be diverse and voyage and electric cigarettes. This one are for shoes and leather stuff. I mean, plenty of stuff. It's actually huge mall. Is just 2 floors, so you walk around. Actually, a lot of walking around. But cool winter stuff. Huge H&M, actually fancy looking. Of course, Renault everywhere. And no wonder they gave me this kind of car, this brand. Because seems like European, that's the nice coffee shop up there. I have to go there. Seems like European cars are very popular right now in Poland. French as well. Actually pretty good value for money, maybe that's why. And New Yorker, actually nice store. So many stuff like this one. I think I already make a loop, so I'm gonna go upstairs. This little IKEA, but they have a big IKEA outside, but a small one if you just wanna make an order and pick up. Just have a look. New Balance, and this coffee shop looks actually nice. I had already my coffee break, coffee o'clock. However, you know, this one is actually nice looking coffee shop. Here you go. Nice. I like it. Nice. Actually, this coffee shop looks like the best one here. Nice. One of our brands. You may know some brands, you may not know. Kids playground, not gonna film them too much. F1, little kids car. 4F is the Robert Lewandowski sponsored this brand, so I'm gonna mention about this one because I heard as he's sponsoring that. Maybe yes, maybe not, but this is Polish brand of the sports, the same like Under Armour or other brands what we know from America. Interesting topic, interesting thing. And yeah, basically that's the mall. Where is the food court? Actually, I wanted to show you food court, but I don't know where is it. Hold on. A lot of walking here, a lot of delivery stores here. And it's busy. I mean, not like crazy busy, but busy enough. All right, I can see the burger. So what does it mean? The food court somewhere. A lot of shops. Nice mall, I'm gonna tell you. Really looking decent mall. Not sure how old is it. Cannot be super old, but this is not super new. And this is the Pierogi Świata. A lot of nice stuff for eating, as you can see. Actually, of course, McDonald's and stuff and KFC, but also many more. There's the Asia hunk. I just wanted to show you a little bit of everything, so you might have a point of view what is here. This one looks like a barmleczny, which is like a comfort food. Actually, as I said, only salad stuff like this one, potatoes. Then you have a Pizza Hut. Actually, that's the Pizza Hut. Then you have a, I don't know, actually so many nice stuff. Quite a lot of people as well. And then there is also Pierogi Świata, where you could get yourself dumplings. Cool. And the Oriental food as well. Alright, so there is the cinema. I'm gonna go, but I noticed something interesting actually. This shop have a cool stuff for ladies for winters. It's called Plums. Nice. And a lot of sushi. Or you can have a sushi, you can have an ice cream. I mean, not only Polish stuff here. So it's cool. And it's going everywhere. I could make a proper video only of this mall, like a proper review though. Alright, and on the 3rd floor actually is the cinema. Of course, like this one, every mall should have it. And the kids' Fox games. Okay, I remember the Pull and Bear and the Costa coffee down there. So from this perspective, so that's mean I make it already look 360 degree on 2 floors. Happy to see that because it was so long. Adidas, flagship, Nike at the front, and RTV Euro AGD, which is like, you know, store with the stuff where you can buy. This one is Nike, and there you can buy TVs and all of the stuff as well. So, and Empik, which is like a kind of bookstore. I have I mean, a lot. You can find everything, even the Xiaomi shop. Actually, also in the corner is the Lotto store, which is like a national lottery store next to the Nike. And then you have a Xiaomi one, actually, like a proper Xiaomi shop, which is very interesting. Didn't see many of them, but they have it. Live Wrangler, Levi, and many more. And the bookstore, yeah. So, mall is complete. They also have a very nice selections of the coffee machines. That's good to know. I can get this myself. Expensive one and the cheaper one. And other stuff, get inside, you know, regular stuff, but nice.